Hello guys, it's Dale here with weekly trading ideas for this week starting today the 29th of March 2021. If you would like to receive those videos and not miss any, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking the button at the bottom of this video. And before we get started, let me announce the winner of the contest for flexible volume profile indicator for MetaTrader 4. Right now on your screen you should see the name of the person who won the indicator. So congratulations for winning the profile, and what I'll do is I'll do another contest. The prize will also be the volume profile indicator for MetaTrader 4 platform. The only thing you need to do to participate in that contest is to leave a comment below this video on YouTube, and next week I'll pick one person to win the profile. Alright, so that's about the little contest. And let's now go into the trading ideas. The first one will be on the Swiss franc Japanese yen. All those three charts show the Swiss franc Japanese yen. Those charts are linked. This chart is a 60-minute chart where I use weekly volume profile. This is a 30-minute chart where I use flexible volume profile. That's the profile which you can move around. And the last chart, that's more detailed chart, it's a 15-minute chart with fixed volume profiles which print every 4 hours. Alright, those are 4-hour volume profiles. So the first trading idea is based on volume accumulation setup. It's based on massive volumes which got created in here in this rotation, which took place before this strong buying activity. Now, because of this strong buying activity, I think that those volumes were buyers. Buyers were building up the long positions slowly in this rotation. That's the rotation in here in this 30-minute chart, right? So those guys were building up the longs in here. Most of them at this place, this is the point of control. This is where the volumes were the heaviest at 116.22. So those guys were building up the longs there. Then they pushed the price upwards. Now, when there's a pullback, I think that those buyers from this place should defend this area and push the price upwards from there again. This zone is important for them, all right? Now, if you look at the weekly volume profile, this one, that's the volume profile of the whole previous week, you can see that this is the place where the heaviest volumes throughout the whole week got traded. So this is the point of control of the previous week. That's the most important place in that previous week, all right? Because the heaviest volumes in that week got traded there. Weekly point of control. And when there is a strong trend activity, like in here, commencing from point of control, then it's usually a pretty strong level. And what you want to do when you see this, just like I showed you, wait for a pullback and enter a trade from there, because this should work as a strong support. All right, so that's for the new support on the Swiss franc Japanese yen. And let's now go into the next trading idea, which will be on the New Zealand dollar Japanese yen. So this is the New Zealand dollar Japanese yen, and there is a very similar scenario as on the Swiss franc Japanese yen. If you look at the weekly volume profile, this one, the volume profile, weekly volume profile from previous week, you can see that the heaviest volumes were traded in here. This is the point of control of the previous week. Let me zoom it in a bit so you can see that. Right, this is where the volume profile of the previous week was the thickest. This is where the volumes were the heaviest. And from that place, strong trend activity started. That's right there. Strong buyers pushing the price upwards. So this is, in my opinion, a signal, an information that in this area, buyers were building up the long positions. I think most of them in here, in this rotation. Let me show you on the flexible volume profile. Right there. So those buyers were building up their longs, and then they pushed the price upwards. So when there's a pullback to 75.92, it's pretty likely that the buyers from this place, those strong buyers, will want to defend this heavy volume zone. This zone is important for them, and that they'll push the price upwards from there again. All right, this is why I think that 75.92 will be a strong support in the future when the price makes it back there. All right, this is why I expect that there will be a buying reaction from there. Now let's go into the next trading idea. This one is actually a trading idea which is from my members area. I published this level a couple of days ago for members of my trading course. It's on the Australian dollar, US dollar, so let's check it out. So this one is based on a downtrend. This is the downtrend it is based on, and this is the resistance. It's at 0.7674, and as you can see within this downtrend on the Australian dollar, there was this heavy volume cluster created, right? Heavy volumes created within the downtrend. That's the downtrend on the 30-minute chart, more detailed. As you can see, I used the flexible volume profile to see volumes in that downtrend. And the heaviest volumes in that downtrend, in this volume cluster, were in here at 76.74. So what happened in here was that sellers were pushing the price downwards. Then there was a rotation, and sellers were adding to their selling positions in here. And then the selling activity continued, the aggressive selling, which pushed the price downwards. So the trend continued. Sellers were pushing aggressively the price downwards, and this is a place where they placed a lot of their shorts. They were adding to their shorts in here. So when there's a pullback to 76.74, that's the place where the volumes were the heaviest. I think that the sellers from this area will want to defend this area, and they'll want to push the price downwards from there again. All right, so this is why I think that this zone will work as a strong resistance. Now, if you guys would like to learn more about trading with the volume profile, then go to my website, trader-dale.com, and go into trading course and tools. That's this yellow button in here. You click that. Now you scroll down a bit, and this is a recommended training pack, elite pack. The elite pack includes volume profile video course, which teaches you how to trade with a volume profile. That's 15-hour long course on trading with volume profile. The elite pack also includes my personal trading levels, which you'll be getting twice every day. Those are daily trading levels as well as swing trading levels. You will also get a volume profile pack, which is pack of my indicators, which I developed for NinjaTrader 8 and MetaTrader 4. Those are volume profile indicators. And what you will also get is free VWAP indicator for NinjaTrader 8, and also my 2 books, Volume Profile, The Insider's Guide to Trading, as well as my newest book. It's not listed in here, but you'll get that as well. The book is called Order Flow Trading Setups. Now, as an addition to all that, you will also get free tech support for Elite and Order Flow Pack members. And what this means is that our tech support will set up NinjaTrader 8 platform for you with all indicators, all trading workspaces. Those are the workspaces which I use. They'll set you up with a data feed, and they'll do it completely free of charge. Alright, so this way you can focus on learning how to trade and on trading rather than just setting up everything yourself and reading manuals. This is a service which should give you a jump start. Alright, so that's about that, guys. That's about this video. I hope you liked it. I hope you found it useful. I'll be looking forward to seeing you next time, and until then, happy trading.